Namaste everyone. You are watching Yoga with Thakur Anand Yogi, or today I'm going to teach you how to get the shoulder joints mobility with the strap. So for that we need a strap, as you can see in the image. So let's start it. So please first stand up, and then we have one strap. Okay, here it's around 2 meters longer, so we need to make it the fold. Okay, fold it in the equal part. As you can see in the image, the corner is touched together, and then we need to set up it, as you can see. Okay, so after that we will place our strap is beside, because we need to get here a shoulder joint warm up. So here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then reverse 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. Okay, after that we will take our strap again. So we need to catch the corner, okay, here of the strap from the both side. You can see with the four fingers, okay, here with the thumb, and then the another corner of the strap we need to catch it. So it will be gap just around 2 feet gap, okay, here. So also leg is the same gap, okay, between the legs and the arms, okay, same gap, okay, here. Then inhale, slowly bring hands up, exhale, bring hands down. Okay, you can see here the solo. Inhale up, exhale, bring hands down, slowly. Inhale once again, bring hands over the head, exhale, slowly rotate your shoulder joints back. Then inhale, bring hands up, then exhale, bring hands down. Inhale once again, bring hands over the head, then exhale, bring hands back here. One more. Inhale, bring your hands over the head, slowly, exhale down. We need to hold. Inhale, center, then exhale. We can hold here equal to shoulders, okay, here our arms parallel to the floor. 4 3 2 then 1. Okay, then we have to come back, okay, then down here. Then inhale, bring hands over the head, then exhale. Now exercise number 2, as you can see, okay, here. So we need to catch, okay, strap a little from the inside, little bit inner side, okay, here. It will be quite difficult. Then inhale, bring hands over the head, and then exhale. First right elbow, okay, bend, the left hand should be straight, okay, here. Then slowly bring your right arm down. Then inhale once again, first bend to the right elbow, first bring your hands, okay, here. Then left hand, then exhale. Same exercise with the left side, okay, here. Inhale, bring hands up, exhale, as you can see in the image now properly, and then bring the left arm down. Then inhale, okay, we are moving from the shoulder joints, and then exhale. One more time. Inhale to center, exhale, you can see bend to the right elbow, left hand back here, and then slowly rotate your shoulder joint, and then bring it down. Then again inhale, left hand also bring up, then exhale down. Okay, so again the left side again. Inhale, you can see bend to the elbow, right hand will go back, okay, as you can see, okay. You can push the right hand little down to properly stretch your shoulder joint, okay, here. Yes, in this time try to avoid your arch back, okay, here. Then exhale down. Okay, then inhale from the left side again, bring both hands up, and then exhale down. So that's also very beneficial. Now action number 3, you can see inhale. Now rotate your shoulder joint internally, bring your left hand back here, but don't move your back, okay. Only your shoulder, only your arm we need to rotate. We need to only rotate to our shoulder joint. Inhale, right hand, as you can see in the image. Inhale center, exhale to the left side. Inhale, come to center, exhale to the right side. Inhale, we can hold, okay, and keep breathing. Continue, as you can see, okay, here it's very beneficial exercise for shoulder joint. Then opposite side, we can hold here minimum 5 seconds, minimum 10 seconds or 15 seconds, is up to you, okay. Here then inhale center and exhale. Now one more exercise, okay, here that will be more difficult. Exercise number 4, the gap between arms, okay, just equal to shoulder joints. As you can see, that will be more difficult, okay, here. So maybe a little pain in shoulder joint. Inhale, you can see the same exercise, okay, here, then exhale, but the gap will be quite closer, and then exhale. Okay, so now the left hand, okay, then inhale, come to center. Yes, you can see the exhale. It will be quite difficult, okay, then because the gap is less. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, come to center. Yes, then you can see the right hand, then exhale slowly. Inhale, come to center again, exhale. Left side, inhale, come to center. Yes, very good, then exhale. Colin Kakchi. Inhale, come to center, then exhale. Very nice. Yes, you all trying is very good. Yeah, so now the last exercise, the most important exercise, okay, to get properly shoulder joint mobility. Yes, so the gap still remain equal to shoulder joints, okay, here, okay, or maybe you can make your hands wider if you cannot continue the gap, okay, if you cannot maintain the gap here. So first the right leg, you can see, then the left leg cross, then do it, okay, like a rhythmic. Let's try, okay, 2, 3, very good, continue, 4, slowly, 5, okay, you can do 10 times, okay, then we need to bring hands back and we will rotate our hands, okay, in this position, you can see, okay, then we'll change side first with the left now, then the right leg cross, yes, from behind, okay, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, so like that, my friends, we can do, or you can do it 10 times, okay, from the front side, 10 times to the behind, okay. So like that, my friends, we can practice for the shoulder joint mobility. So thank you so much to watching my video, and please remember to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.